You want to pee here or keep going?
Oh.
Way to go, John!
You didn't miss the sign.
Woo!
I didn't see a place to pee at Talimena.
It's fine.
You
I don't
good?
need to pee. I'll pee behind a bush if I have
Well, that's
to.
why I stopped here. I didn't know if you wanted to pee before we go there. Or...
I don't
I'm
think
gonna
they're...
pee. I don't need to pee, but
It scared me a little bit, but I scared myself a little bit.
Diana said, oh my God.
Aaron needs to
I wish
change
that
his
was on
pee.
your guys' intercom system.
A little rusty in my
Like,
head.
we should have been paired to them.
I was doing great with anxiety until we hit that turn.
Coach and I were talking about
Oh, Aaron went into another lane for the parking
I went in that lane.
Hey, I got
little line.
that car got out underneath me on that drive.
Slide a little bit. I can see it feels a little.
I was doing good till that.
Well, we
was
gave you a
bored.
shout out. Thank you and Tam.
Talking about that first hairpin where that truck was coming around.
Taking the load.
Did he stop?
You. Everyone freaking geeked.
I mean, I was still did distance problem, but
He wanted to pass everybody.
It's a lot better when the roads aren't wet.
Yeah, no, that's great. Yeah, it
When
was
the
really
roads are
good.
wet, you gotta do them turns.
That does suck big time.
I can wait for a little bit out. If I need to pee, end up behind the...
you have them in men's sizes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Really?
it does feel good.
See, I'm telling you, it feels good, especially on your grips.
Yeah.
They're really nice. I have an extra pair. You're more than welcome to wear them.
Well, I got a pair. I just didn't put them on.
But they're not these pair.
So how much longer till the overpass?
Apparently we need to
The overpass. I mean, outlook or the overlook.
Overlook. Yeah.
Oh, it's just like 5 minutes away.
Okay.
But there's nothing there either.
No, I don't have to pee.
Oh.
No, this is after the morning. I've done all my urinating. I'm good.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
I do
Here,
have.
I'll put a bunch on this.
Merry Christmas.
Put it down there.
Here's a knife if you want to slice the bologna better. I don't know.
Hey, I have my bologna sandwich coming along.
It's coming along pretty good.
And
Can you hurry?
I'm rolling, man.
hand that to. There you go.
Holy
They're not very good, you
Let me
know.
give you some of this
No, it's just
first.
cut.
Yeah.
Oh, it is kind
I mean,
of okay. I was going to say, my goodness.
I made two, so
Some
Why you
bologna.
making me one?
I'm not making you a sandwich.
Come on, man.
Thank
You
you.
wouldn't make me one.
You would totally.
Yes, I do. Yeah.
This is so much better than
Can't have any pudding if you don't eat
restaurant
chicken.
food. Come on. Come on now.
John, you picked a good spot here.
That's a lot of banana pudding.
Yeah. I know you worked at it, but you picked
Well,
a
I
good
thought
spot.
you were sharing it, but
I'll share it with whoever needs to share it with. Who needs some?
everybody got the same amount,
Oh.
John.
we each get
Oh,
one.
it's a per couple.
Your couples, you get a couple one.
Oh, I didn't know.
Whoa! Big league. Holy crap.
Supposed to be my couple.
Couple pudding, but now I know Leslie's not into banana pudding.
So
All right.
here's Ritz crackers. If
Well,
you
Leslie, I hate
I'm
Mexican
good,
food.
thank you.
We're on Brent's,
we know better.
Brent got me on audio, right? And we're in there talking about riding through them hills. And we're talking about taking corners and what kind
No, that's exactly what we were talking
Yeah,
about.
we're doing it there.
And you went right in front of us.
Yeah.
We were just talking about it on the video. Talking about how to take corners.
I'm just
It's
giving you
almost
guys
like
some commentary of like
eating, right?
not
Not to do?
Yeah, that's exactly what we were doing. That's exactly what we were
I was
doing.
like, I'm like,
And then all of a sudden,
You could
Coach
say-
is like, "Whoa, Eric!"
you could say we had
go over to
we had
game.
Aaron demonstrate for you guys.
Yeah.
Aaron, you can watch this video. Oh, that's funny.
We were just talking about making sure you look through the turn, like turning your head, looking all the way through the turn.
That was a tight little turn though.
And next thing you know-
I usually just close my eyes and up to that.
That's what I do.
Nice.
I might have a few napkins. Anybody need a napkin? I got a few in here.
Let the
I would take one.
We got paper towels.
Okay.
Oh my God,
Well,
John,
yeah.
that's funny.
Oh, you got some down there. Okay.
Is that a hair clip down there?
I don't know. I didn't catch it. I just saw it. Looks
Yep.
like it though.
That's exactly what that is.
What?
You need it?
There's a hair clip in between them.
You don't need it?
No, I'm good.
All right.
Pretty please.
And she's dropping you a hit. I think I like corn dip.
Like Ritz
Oh,
crackers too. I just
All right. Can I get everybody?
hope so.
A mouthful.
That's it, everybody.
Move that fat head over there in front of you.
Ready?
The
Yeah,
size,
don't let him talk.
the size
about it.
4X.
All right. Let's see if we got it.
Dan, I'm way down here. That was John.
Get that four. No, he's saying don't let John talk
I just
about it.
barely. I
Go
can't
back
see
to
Leslie.
that way.
How about me?
Okay, let me try again because I can't see Leslie.
I'm telling you, there's a reason for that.
So funny.
Maybe go to the other end so the big head's on this side.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Just
switch sides.
There we go.
I
I
got
got
a
it.
big head too, Steve.
Yeah.
Still gonna make fun of you.
Oh, my face.
Yeah. It's been my
That's
whole
all right.
life.
I think I got everybody. Yeah.
What's supposed to be like a
Please don't
double
call
type
me.
thing.
But
Ooh.
And then
that's all contingent on the upgrades around the town there before they start building all this.
Or M-E-N-A.
How you spell Talimena?
M-E-N-A.
They don't think
T-A-L-M-E-N-A.
about that. They just
I think it's
do.
Ian.
Hey, you're asking.
A-L.
You're
the
asking the
Walmart
right guy.
proposed that 150
T-A-L.
like
Talimena.
Kimberly Clark, yeah.
Talimena.
Yeah, right there.
There's an H in it.
No, there's not.
Yeah.
Putting a housing edition on it?
Is there?
Yeah.
No, there's not.
He don't know.
which is supposed to be like the thing.
I went to Kellyville.
I know. Don't ever trust.
That's what I was talking about.
Like he's
Let-
Do
Let's
not
ask
ever
me
trust
about my
Red spelling,
education.
ever.
Yeah, just don't ask me about spelling. I'm the worst speller
like when you do.
possible.
I bet I have
Orders,
you
a robot picking all around.
I'm numbers. I'm not
Me
a
too.
He's the same way. He's numbers, not. I'm less numbers than a better speller, but suckier at math.
Horrible speller.
Glad we stopped for lunch.
Math brain.
Would you not like some of my coffee?
I'm good, I think. I'll stand in line.
Because I didn't ask you.
You didn't really ask.
That's right, I didn't.
Gosh, that was good.
You got a bat in the cave, do you?
I think it's cheese. I think I was wiping my face and then.
You got a cheese in the cave then.
You got a cheeseburger.
All right, we got a
No, you
cheese.
said, okay,
Yeah.
Got a
you take a
potato
bite and
cheeseburger.
then you can go blow that out. Cheeseburger. Yeah, cheeseburger.
Cheeseburger.
Peppy, peppy.
All right, how'd I do? Really?
Yeah.
Good Lord. All right.
It's up in there. I'm telling you.
Are they going nowhere?
Seems safe.
Okay, then keep it. It's a keeper.
I do.
I'm gonna do it.
I hope you do.
Take it.
Diana, can I have a spoon? Really, please?